I've got sausages, spring onions, carrots, pepper, tomatoes, onions, milk, cheese and eggs. Now I need to mix the vegetables. You need half cup of tomatoes, half cup of pepper, half cup of sausages, half cup of spring onions, half cup of onion, half cup of grated carrots. You need to mix this up. You need to add salt for taste. You need to add a pinch of black pepper. You need to crack 6 eggs. Now mix the eggs. Now we need to add 4 tablespoons of milk. Now let's mix it together. Now add the vegetables. Now I need to mix it all together. Add half cup of grated cheese. Now we need to grease the muffin tray with butter or oil. Now let's pour the mixture into the muffin tray. You need to preheat the oven. It's ready! It's so yummy. Yeah, so yummy and cheesy. You need to try this recipe out. Thank you for watching our video. Like and share and subscribe.